Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. Stock number is 18C604A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, cloth interior. Very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside audio and your cruise controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Santa Fe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.